Hey there everybody. Well, I've definitely decided to come back and do another video because I noticed it's been a very, very long time since I've been able to make a video for you guys, and I'm so sorry, but that I've had other things going on, and I've been pretty much in a flood of schoolwork, and I still have other things due for school, but I really wanted to squeeze in a video for you guys because you really deserve it. I've noticed that my subscribers went up a couple of numbers, and I couldn't be more grateful for that. And I want to do this video specifically because I promised that I'd show a Hoover Convertible, and I haven't, and I've been taking down those videos like I said, but when I take the videos down, I don't mean to take them down because I don't want you guys to have videos. It's just I wasn't happy with how they looked, and and I've wanted to do like longer videos and stuff, so it's just I want to keep videos that I'm happy with, that you guys would like. So anyway, and the only other update other than that is I got another Auric in the mail that I fixed, which I'll show that one at one other point. And I also have a second Auric on the way that I'm going to try to fix up, and if that goes well, I'll show you guys that one as well. My mom actually is who picked that one up because it was after so long, we finally found the same exact model that she had when I was growing up, so, which I was saying was the green one, but I was kind of just putting that off, thinking I'd never get a burgundy one, but she finally found one. So anyway, so I'm hoping it'll work okay. It's supposed to come this coming weekend, so not this weekend, but next weekend, and I've got parts on the way and everything. But anyway, and then I also was able to hang my Dyson V10 up, so that was really good. It's actually not too awfully hard, but you need a 1/4 inch nail or a 1/4 inch drill bit for that. But I just poked the nail right through there and it works fine. It's a little bit loose, but it's been holding good, and it charges really nice right there. But anyway, so I'll just show this one for now. So this is the number 704 is which one this is, and as you see, I fixed it 2 years ago, but I barely run this thing, so it's still should be pretty good, and it's been in really good shape. I didn't even have to do anything on that, and this is just the original paint, and it's good. Now I did put in the new brush strips. I try to do that every time I'm lubricate the agitator in these and everything. That's pretty much that. I think it's a model, well, it's a model 704, but I think it's from 1969 or 68, something like that. And it's a button bag. I'm missing one button on the bottom, but other than that, it's in very, very good shape. And it's probably going to regret doing this with one hand. And it's a Type-C bag for it. And I've noticed that if, even though it's a bottom fill, if you just remove the bag from the machine at the bottom, let me sit this down. If you remove the bag from the machine at the bottom from here, and then flip it over, then the dirt doesn't spill out on you. I know it's kind of common sense, but I just figured I'd put that out there because I've still seen a couple of people trying to change it facing up. But anyway, so yeah, so this is the first time it's been turned on in forever, so yeah. I just put a brand new belt on it right now, too. I'm telling you guys, though, nothing brings the carpet like these old convertibles to me, I swear. Look at that. I swear, guys, this sounds almost silent to me after I used the Dyson yesterday. And that thing just like roars compared to this. We'll go through here and make this look a lot better. Gosh, look at those lines. That's great. Now that is a clean carpet right there. guys, I hope that you enjoyed another little Hoover video, and I've not made one in forever and ever, but yeah, I just got this carpet finally cleaned up for you guys, and yeah, still hadn't used the old thing in forever, but yeah, so I hope that you guys have a really good one, and hopefully I won't go that long again. But I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll see you guys when I get done with the semester, I guess, when that'll be. So, hope you have a good one.